How to make our text body italicized. It is just a continuation to our lesson. Earlier, before we had created a text file that contains our codes, and we have also the HTML file that display our output. Okay, now we'll go back to our file. This is what we have done so far. Now our lesson today is how to make our text body italicized. Now this code was for making it bold. Okay, so what we can do here, instead of making it instead of a B, we change this one to I. Okay, even this one I. We save. And we say save as here. We turn it to HTML. Okay, save. To ask you whether you want to replace, you say yes. Okay, let us check to see the result. Okay, as you can see here, it is only the word translink italicized because we have applied the code to only translink. Thank you for watching.